Want to make money from a blog starting today? There is no need for expensive hosting or technical skills. In this video, I'll show you how to create a free blog using Blogger and start earning from your first post. Hello there. Welcome back to this channel and new video. In today's digital age, owning a blog isn't just about sharing ideas. It's a powerful way to generate income online. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a fully functional blog, publishing your first post, and setting up monetization, all without spending a dime. Stay tuned to the end, where I'll share expert tips to drive traffic and maximize your earnings. Start by visiting blogger.com, clicking Create Your Blog, and signing in with your Google account. To verify your identity, enter your password and proceed to the next step. In the title section, enter a unique and relevant name for your blog that reflects its content. Click Next to proceed. In the address section, choose a blog URL. If your preferred name is unavailable, try variations until you find an available one. Once selected, click Next to continue. Confirm your display name and click Finish. Congratulations, your blog is now live. Party Popper. As you can see, the default homepage is simple. To enhance its appearance, navigate to the Themes section. Scroll down to explore various categories and choose a template that best suits your blog style and niche. A well-designed theme improves user experience and makes your blog more visually appealing. To find the best templates for your blog, visit Giabi Templates, a popular source for high-quality blogger themes. To quickly find the perfect design, you can filter templates by style, features, topic, or column layout. Before downloading a template, I highly recommend previewing the live demo to see how it looks and functions in real time. If you're satisfied with its design and responsiveness, you can proceed with the download and apply it to your blog. After downloading the template, navigate to the file location, right-click on it, and select Extract to unzip the contents. Ensure you have this XML file ready before proceeding. To upload the template, navigate to Customize in your Blogger dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Restore, then click Upload. Go to the Template section and upload this XML file to enhance your blog's design and functionality. Now that our template is uploaded and the blog is set up, it's time to create our first post. To make the process faster and more efficient, I'll use ChatGPT to generate a well-structured, engaging article. For example, if I ask ChatGPT to suggest 10 blog post titles about health, it generates them instantly. Between these 10 titles, I chose the first title and want to ask Chat to write a blog post for me. When writing a blog post for Blogger, you need 3 key elements. Title, a compelling, SEO-friendly title that grabs attention. Labels, keywords, or categories that help organize your content. It's as simple as this. First, we write a high-quality blog post, ensuring it provides value to our audience. Blogger is a highly responsive platform designed to adapt seamlessly to any device, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Its mobile-friendly interface ensures an optimal browsing experience, allowing users to create, manage, and view content effortlessly, regardless of screen size or operating system. For a blog post to stand out, having a relevant and engaging image is essential. Fortunately, you don't need to be a designer. ChatGPT can create custom images for you. Simply describe the image you need, and let ChatGPT generate a unique visual to enhance your content. After generating the image, make sure to download it to your device. Once saved, you can easily upload and publish it on your post. As you can see, the layout is clean and well-structured. Your blog visitors can easily view the title, description, labels, and publication date, ensuring a seamless reading experience. Now that we've published our first blog post, it's time to set up monetization and start earning. One of the best ad networks for beginners is Adsterra. I've added the sign-up link in the video description for you. Let's dive in and get everything set up. If you're active on social media platforms like Facebook and TikTok, You can also leverage Adstera's ad solutions to generate income beyond just blogging. Complete the registration form by entering your details: email, full name, login username, and password. Choose your preferred messaging platform for communication and select a payment method for withdrawing your earnings. Once all details are filled in, submit the form to successfully create your account. To confirm your email, open your registered email inbox and locate the confirmation email. Click on the Confirm Email button, which will redirect you to the login page. Enter your username and password to log in and complete the verification process. Once logged in, your email will be successfully confirmed. Congratulations! Your Adstera account has been successfully created. Now, it's time to add your blog so you can start monetizing your traffic. Click on Add Website, then go to your blog, copy your domain URL, and paste it into the required field. Next, select a category that best matches your blog's content. If you don't find an exact match, simply choose Other. Next, you'll need to choose whether your blog's content is adult or non-adult. This is important because it determines the types of ads that will be displayed on your site. Once that's set, you can choose from 5 different ad formats to monetize your blog effectively. For this video, I'll be adding and placing a native banner, which blends seamlessly with your content for better user experience and earnings. If you'd like a tutorial on placing other ad formats, let me know in the comments below. Your request is being processed. Please refresh the page or check back in a few minutes until the status changes to active. Once your ads is activated, click on Get Code and choose the number of native banner ads you want to display on your blog. I personally prefer 3 for a balanced layout. Next, customize the ad appearance by selecting colors that blend well with your website's design for a seamless user experience. Don't forget to save your changes, then copy the generated ad code link. Go to your Blogger dashboard, navigate to Layout, and look for the section where you want to place your ad. Since we're adding it to the right sidebar, click Add a Gadget in the Sidebar section, select HTML/JavaScript, and paste your ad code. Finally, save the changes and refresh your blog to see the ad in action. As you can see, whenever a visitor lands on the blog, they will notice these ads seamlessly integrated into the right sidebar and within the content of my posts. This strategic placement ensures better visibility while maintaining a smooth reading experience. Next, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly place a direct link in your blog post for monetization. First, go to your Adstera dashboard and navigate to the Direct Link section. Click on Add New Direct Link, then choose either mainstream or adult, depending on your content type. Once added, you'll get a unique URL that you can strategically place within your blog post to maximize earnings. The processing and activation of the link may take a few minutes. Once the link is active, copy it. Next, paste the copied link into the designated field and apply the changes. By strategically turning relevant text into multiple hyperlinks throughout your content, you can maximize engagement and earnings. Each time a visitor clicks on these links, your revenue potential increases, making it a seamless way to monetize your blog effortlessly. I've created several videos on Adstera and Blogger in the past, but things change over time. If you'd like an updated video with the latest strategies, let me know in the comments. Also, be sure to check the video description for useful links and resources. And there you have it. You now know how to create a blog, publish content, and start monetizing from day one. Remember, success with blogging comes with consistency. Keep posting valuable content and driving traffic to maximize your earnings.